I wasn't coming to the door like, who the fuck that is? They got to walk around. No. Oh, okay. Morning. Nope. I already made plans. I made plans. And I'm gonna tell him he had to get that key up because he don't know how to put shit back. Oh, so you already hit it? Alright. 4 huevos, leave 1 for me, for special. Put them up. Put them back in the office. I'm sick of that. This shit was, it was over there. Matter of fact, hide them in the desk drawer in there. Get some of the smaller biscuits too, homie. Leave in hotel. 3 and 1 for me. Okay. 1 for me, 3 for you. got the what? And what? Dang. What do you do? Email you? Get an iPhone. The handle, my boy. Don't heat up when you put it that way. Falcons football, that's a joke. Falcons football, that's a joke. That's why I live in your city. That's why I live in McDonald's. I can do it anywhere. Yo, what are you doing? Did you taste them and see was they ready? Why you get the backup pan? Chick House I prepped yesterday had one. It was pretty dope though. I had been looking at them online. Put them on the bottom, man. You heard me? Who didn't know what it was? Bruh. I'm gonna tell you the funniest shit ever. When they ain't how to open that can of biscuits. The can of biscuits. I was like, what? What was y'all trying to do to them? Y'all finna use the can opener to open the biscuits that morning? What kind of biscuits y'all eat at home? Y'all don't even eat biscuits at home, do you? Y'all trying to make some Gouda grits. Nah.
March comes into pinch run, making his major league debut, and after a single, Marte in second, Marte steals third, just makes it sitting tag game like two closer from the dugout. What it seems like.
They don't supposed to come through the city unless they delivering. They can get a ticket for that if DOT or State Troopers out and they pull them over and look at their logs and they ain't got no paperwork to put them inside the 285 perimeter. That's a big ass ticket.
You get out there and you make us proud, huh?
They can pump you up or calm you down.
I said that, damn. We can fix the problem. And then let somebody know. What they done did now? Again?
Roster spots on the line. You gotta catch everything.
Raphael Devers on a knee.
What they like to eat around here. First one. Yep.
Unless you say that you're back, let me do it.
Yes.
No, worthless you gotta be to get fired from a job you live across the street from.
Who makes the champion?
Sorry ass cowboy. How the fuck is that bandwagon? The mother, you weren't even born when Dallas used to be good. Falcons, baby, rise up.
Joey Porter Jr. made his way. Try to center and slide deflection right to Messi, who does the rest. Where do you see this move? I mean, the ball finds the guy. 10th goal in just 7 games for Messi. Do you see the curve on that? Yikes. Talk about drama.
Yeah, that boy Desmond, he gonna be trash. That's not about it to brag about. That's like me bragging about BU in basketball.
In July, 76ers star James Harden chose to publicly admonish the team's president of basketball operations, Omari, calling him, among other things, a liar.
Damn.
You see him that
Nobody still don't want to talk about aliens. So when I pull up in a goddamn Hellcat and it transforms into Bumblebee, don't be jocking. I be like, I told y'all these niggas were here. Bumblebee wasn't a Camaro to begin with, homie. He was a Beetle. Man, in fact, you need to take it easy with your car.
But now you're talking about it, like, God damn, bro.
Officially, it's a fresh full beer. We love our house. The outdoor space is great.
Tomorrow morning you're gonna be texting us, me and Anderson, about, hey man, I got oil leaking everywhere. I'm gonna be late. Hey, after that race, you're gonna be walking from wherever you ended that race at. Oh, okay. Swing.